look at Hanover and Rockland, and actually Norwell has 18 inches. That's a foot and a half. Sure, it's light, dry, fluffy snow, but that's still a lot, 18 inches. And then you look at Leominster, a half an inch of snow. So look at that distance. It's not that huge, and yet you're talking about the difference of a foot and a half of accumulation. So we have wildly different situation in different areas. We do have the blizzard warning along the coast for Plymouth County, the Cape, and the islands. All you have to do is look at our visibility. The brightest white area is exactly where the blizzard warning is in effect. And in that area, the visibility is running a quarter to a half a mile. But look at this in Marshfield. That is zero visibility. That is whiteout conditions. Now, if you get something like that for 3 hours or more with the kind of wind we have, you have blizzard conditions. So whether it turns out to be officially a blizzard or not, there are near blizzard conditions going on along the coast, southeastern Mass, the Cape, and the islands. You see the edge of the snow is right around Metro West, but that's just flakes. A little steadier when you get to Boston and Cape Ann, and then heavier when you get across the waters of the South Shore and the Cape. Look at this band that's going to move in upon Nantucket now. That's a heavy band, and you can also see it has an extent that's back here that's going to clip the Vineyard and part of the Cape. And then we have these bands, ocean-enhanced snow across Marshfield, Plymouth. So those are the areas getting hit the hardest with those strong wind gusts on the Cape now, 48 miles an hour at Nantucket. It'll still be snowing on the Cape and maybe Plymouth around noontime. It'll have ended in Boston, and then during the afternoon, it'll end from west to east. So the final analysis shows a huge difference with up to 20 inches or more in a few pockets of the South Shore to virtually nothing around the Massachusetts-New Hampshire border. Kind of